Hey friends, if you wish to transfer Windows 11 license from one computer to another computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, you need to have the license key. So open the Microsoft Store and search for this software called ShowKey Plus and hit enter. Open ShowKey Plus, install it on your system. It will need a few seconds, okay? So I'll tell you something. There are three types of keys. One is the volume licensing key, which is not something that you can transfer. Your organization can only transfer it. And the second type of key is an OEM key, which is bound to your computer, so you cannot transfer that one either. And the third and last option you have is your retail key, the one you purchased from a retail store. Now this is the key that you can transfer to another system because it has been purchased as a retail key. I mean, it's a totally separate product. So if you have that key, then you can transfer it. Otherwise, you cannot. Now I click on open. Okay, to open this software. It will need a few seconds to open and it will show my key there itself. And once it shows my key, I can take a note of it. After that, to uninstall this key from my system, because if I wish to reinstall it on another system, I will have to uninstall the key from my system. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command slmgr.vbs space /upk. So I'll show you. Okay, I won't hit enter for this command because I don't want to uninstall my license, but it's slmgr.vbs space /upk and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.